Hello everyone, welcome back. So here you have to display your title. So you see this is your set content title. So here you have to display here. Let me remove your h3 tag. Then inside it here, inside the React fragment to group element without adding the extra node to the DOM. So inside it here you have the box component. Make sure that here you have to close your box component. Okay, here remove this one. Then inside it here you have to there is inside it you have the additional styles. So that is here you have to write just sx equal. Then inside it here you have to write empty that is 0. Got it. Then after that here you have the padding padding here 16 px. Then background linear gradient background. Okay guys, so background that is inside a string here you have to write the linear gradient 90 degree. Then here has this is the only guys css code, so don't worry about it too much. 8a12fc. Then has okay guys has here you have to write ff0080. Got it. Then after that here you have to box shadow here box. This is not capital box shadow. Here why you got this guys? Okay, this is not here. Also remove this one from here. Then here you have to write it. Okay, box shadow box shadow. Then inside the string here you have to write the 0 px, then 4 px, then 12 px, then rgba, and then inside it here you have to write 0, then again 0, then 0. Then here you have to write the 0.2. Okay, so here you have to close inside a bracket. Okay, so this is a box shadow. Then after that here you have the center text inside the box. That is a text line. That is center. Got it. Then here margin from the bottom 4. Okay, margin 4 unit. Then here after that inside it here you have the typography component. So let me here you have to write the typography. Then inside it here that is your course title. Then inside it here you have to write the content title. Content. Here why here is spelling mistake guys. Let me fix it. This is title. Only title. So here you have to write the title. Content. You're not this one guys. This is now okay. This is fine. This is here you have content title. Okay, it is okay. Then inside it here you have to add the distance styles for it. And that is a variant. First you need to write here the variant. Then here variant it is a h4. Then after that here s inside it here something wrong guys. Here what okay guys, so within that let me cut it from here. Then here you can remove this one. Then inside is strings. Then after that inside sx here font width bold, font width that is bold. Then after that color white, color hash fff. Then after that text transform uppercase text. text transform, that is uppercase. Then after that here the letter spacing guys 1.5 px format document. Here letter spacing, then text transform, colors, font weight, bold. So now here you have to check it here. Now it is looking very good. Here you have to just refresh it. Then you see here your title. Now you see it is title. Now it is looking very good. So here if you want one thing you can render here. That is your sidebar component. Copy this one. Then just here you have to act on the bottom. Render this component and check it here. You see now it is looking very good guys. Okay. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.